What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on this E36 M3 that I just bought. It's going to be my daily for the winter months. And what we're going to do today is we're going to replace this windshield wiper cowl. You can see those, there are bits missing of that rubber seal, and I want to make sure that this is replaced before the winter months. So we're going to remove all these clips. We're going to remove the windshield wipers, remove this piece, and reinstall install the new cowl. Hopefully it's as simple as that, but we shall see. Alright, so before you begin, I also recommend grabbing one of these things. It's just a generic puller. You can rent it from, I got this from O'Reilly's. AutoZone doesn't have them, but O'Reilly's does. And if you have a wiper arm that is stuck, like it is in this car, this is going to be very helpful. These are the Navy seals. These are the Navy seals. Okay, let me stop right here. So what I've done so far, I removed the windshield wiper arms and some of these, I don't know what you want to call them, clips. So there's 3 on each side, and now this thing's almost ready to come out. The only thing that we have to do is we're going to have to put the hood in the service position, and for that we're going to have to remove some of those 2 Torx screws. There's one there and one on the other side. But you gotta make sure that we support the hood. piece of an 80s steel. So there you have it. This is how you replace the windshield wiper cowl cover on the E36 coupe. This particular car is an M3, but the procedure is going to be the same on pretty much every coupe. Pretty straightforward. I'd say the biggest challenge is getting those wipers off, but that puller tool from O'Reilly's made that a breeze. Anyway, if you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to my channel because I have more stuff coming on both E36 and 3, as well as my M Roadster. Oh, and maybe some stuff on the car in the background there, the E90. Bye guys.